Yo coders, ever need to quickly change the case of your text in JavaScript? Today, we're hitting you with the essentials of toUpperCase and toLowerCase. Let's get straight to it. In JavaScript, strings are just text. Sometimes you need all the letters to be uppercase, and sometimes you need them all lowercase. That's where toUpperCase and toLowerCase come in. First up, toUpperCase. This method takes your string and spits out a brand new string where every letter is now uppercase. It doesn't mess with numbers, symbols, or spaces. Now for toLowerCase. Just like you'd expect, this one takes your string and returns a new string with all the letters in lowercase. Again, other characters stay the same. Check this one out in this code. We have two strings, variable's name, key1, and key2 with different capitalization. Here's the key. We're calling .toLowerCase on both word1 and word2. This converts both strings to JavaScript before we compare them using the triple equals, strict equality, operator. Because both are now in lowercase, the condition is true, and this message will be displayed in the console. This shows how you can easily compare text without being tripped up by different capitalization. Alright, the quick rundown. toUpperCase makes your string uppercase. toLowerCase makes it lowercase. They give you a new string, the original stays the same. They only change letters. That's the lowdown on toUpperCase and toLowerCase. Now go ahead and try them out in your code. If you found this quick tip helpful, hit like and subscribe for more. Catch you in the next one.